So I went to pick up the Mark Hill crimper today and I've washed my hair. I could only get hold of the pink handle, so I've got the black waver, but I mean that girl's using a black end too, so, and I'm just excited to have the pink holder. My other curling wand is actually that one, but even that's cute, so let's try. Drench my hair. I use so much heat on my hair, so I've naturally like really curly hair, so I have to get up and straighten my hair every single day. Okay, that is done. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. I actually do makeup on the weekends. Normally I would do the eyes first, but with myself I always do my eyes like not last, but I do my foundation first. I am using the new HMB foundation, so I bought a light one and a dark one so I can mix them together. And I'll go in with the HMB concealer. I bought these from TikTok, I think it was Black Friday sale. And I got the foundation for like £9. So I'm just blobbing it on my face. Goes in like the cracks and the pores. I feel like when you rub it in, it can lose its colour into the foundation. A foundation fave which I need to rebuy is the GRWM. It is so good. Why are makeup bags so messy, please? I hate it. So let's use. So this is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer in shade Summer Fridays, I Wish. I wanted to get it because when you know when you go on holiday and you don't want to put makeup on, but you want to put like some bronzer on your face. Well, I didn't want it to be like a powder version. I wanted to just go into the skin. So that's why I got it. I just think some of the cream like bronzers you can get are so thick and so dark that they can just look really muddy, or if they're like separate. If you're ever doing bronzer as well, work from the top of your ear into the cheekbone like that. I'm going to go in with Smashbox. This is my fave. So I use the Mitchell one too, but that's like a really bright pink. This is like a dull pink. It's so nice. It's called LA Lights. I kind of just go from the cheekbone and I just like go in circles all the way up. I'm going to go in with the Doll Beauty. It's called Give Me Sun. Well, it's called Give Me Sun actually. I use this usually all over the face like this, where your bronzer would go. And I use it as an eyeshadow. The Laura Mercier. I usually, while I'm still doing my makeup, I'll just do it right under my eye, and then once I'm finished, I'll go like along my face. Bronzer again, and I'm just going to circle my eyes. Carve it out. Back to the Laura Mercier. Put this on my eyelids. Usually I'll put a bit of concealer on there too, but I'm not going for something like super heavy. I use the Estee Lauder, and then I'm going to use this one. It did have a mirror in, but it broke. Everything I own breaks. Go in with my eyebrow brush, and I'll just go along the lash line. I absolutely love this. Like, your skin just looks so glowy when wearing it. My eyebrow bone for when we come to do them. It's a lovely little pink colour. You can really see this when it's on. So it's not like super in your face, but when the light hits you, it's so rose goldy, so like it complements your blusher. Jekka Black has like two sides. Scrape them up just a little bit. I'm gonna flatten it down with the other side. Now I'm just gonna go in with a little eyeshadow, like a really fine eyeshadow, as in light, and just go over them, because I love the idea of having like blonde brows, and I always just put like a dark in out of quickness. But okay, so Elf, and it's in dark cocoa. That's how I'm gonna say it. Don't know how to pronounce it, and it's cocoa with an A on the end of it. So we're gonna go in for the Elf lip liners. They're new today, as in I bought them today. Spill the tea. Let's spill the tea. Thanks It's MAC. If you haven't got Thanks It's MAC, then you need to get it. It's like glossy. Okay, so let's open the waiver. In a rush and you want to crimp your hair, the bottom section, just do it like really quick. Don't have to hold it on for long. And then just focus on your top section. As long as your top section is crimped properly and enough, then your whole hair will look fine. Good job I've got the glove on, because I've been pressing the wrong bit and it's going through the glove. Last layer. So with this bit, I always like to start from the brow, so that it doesn't do that weird crease at the top of your head. Hairstyles, like waves like this, look so cute as well when you curl some bits in. So you do the wave and then you grab some bits and you curl it round a wand. This with like a really basic bikini and some like chunky gold jewellery from Monica Vernada would be amazing.